What are triggers and cues in habit formation?
And tips and cues are signals in your environment or routine that prompt you to start a behavior. For example, hearing your morning alarm might cue you to drink water, or seeing your gym bag by the door. Recognizing these signals is the first step toward building habits that feel automatic.
How do you identify effective habit cues?
Look for actions or events already in your daily routine. Good cues are specific, consistent, and easy to spot, like brushing your teeth, finishing lunch, or a certain time of day. Notice patterns in your behavior and choose a cue that naturally fits the new habit you want to build.
How can you choose the right trigger for a new habit?
The best trigger is one you already do reliably every day. For example, if you want to start journaling, use making your morning coffee as a cue. Attach the new habit to an existing routine so it becomes a seamless part of your day.
What are some examples of habit triggers?
The physical cues could include an object in a visible place, like workout shoes by your bed. Emotional cues might be feeling stressed, prompting deep breathing. Time-based cues use alarms or specific times. Try pairing habits with daily events, such as flossing right after brushing your teeth.
How do triggers make starting habits easier?
Triggers remove decision-making from the process. When a cue is present, you don't have to think about what to do next. It's automatic. This lowers mental effort and helps your new habits stick by making it as effortless as possible to begin.
What should you do if a cue isn't working?
If your chosen cue isn't helping you remember your habit, try a different one. Experiment with more obvious, consistent, or convenient signals. The key is to adjust until you find a cue that reliably reminds and motivates you to act, making your new behavior part of your routine.